In this video, I am going to show you how you can obtain disk drive information using PowerShell. So again, I am in this video using WMI, Windows Management Instrumentation. So command goes like this: Get-WmiObject space Win32. Where you can see 4 drives, and there is some numeric symbol associated with each drive, like drive type 3, and one is of drive type 5. So if you want to filter it, you can also use filter drive 3. So you can view the filter. In this filter, we have associated the drive type is equal to 3. Let me tell you the codes, what the code means. The 3 number means it is a fixed disk, and the 5 number correspond to the removable drive like DVD drive or a CD drive. And there is another type you can find if you have a network drive. The drive type will be 4 if you have a network drive. Thanks a lot.